Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to silence reminder notification alert sounds in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now click on sounds and haptics. After clicking on sounds and haptics, you can see the option reminder alerts. Simply click on reminder alerts, and if you want to silence reminder notification alert sound, then simply select none. After selecting none, your reminder notification alert sound will be silenced. And if you want to change your notification, then simply you can select here. And if you want to silence reminder notification, then simply select none. So this is the way to silence reminder notification alert sounds in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.